Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is a code enforcement hearing for the City of North Miami. Today is November 1st, 2017, and I am Beatrice Kezo, Special Magistrate for the City of North Miami. The purpose of this hearing is to determine if a code violation exists at your property as observed and cited by a code enforcement officer of the city. If the city is not able to prove its case, then I will dismiss the case and you may leave. These proceedings are being recorded, therefore all persons who are speaking should do so one at a time to ensure that all testimony is clearly audible on the recording device. If English is not your primary language, then please inform me when I call your case. We have a translator who will assist you during the proceedings. When your case is called, the property owner, agent for the property owner, and any witness that you may have should come forward to the podium on the left side of the room. When asked, please speak directly into the microphone and say aloud your name, your business or mailing address, and your relationship to the property. If you are not the property owner or an attorney representing the property owner, then you must present a notarized power of attorney affidavit in order for your testimony to be taken on behalf of the property owner. For new cases, you will be asked for the record if you are aware of and understand the violation that is being heard today. And do you understand what is required to resolve the violation? Please answer accordingly. The city will present its case first, and then the property owner and or violator will be given an opportunity to testify on their own behalf, to bring forward witnesses to testify, to present evidence and photographs, and to cross-examine the city's witnesses. Following the case presentation, I will issue a finding of fact on the case. If I find that a violation of city codes exists or existed at your property, then depending on the case type, I will set an abatement date for the violation to be resolved. Or, for repeat violations, I will impose a daily fine amount. For new, non-repeat cases, my order will include an abatement date by which you must resolve the violation, and a daily fine amount that I may impose at a future hearing date should the violation not be resolved by the abatement date. If I find sufficient cause to postpone enforcement action at this time, I will table this case proceeding to another hearing date in the future. If you do not agree with my finding of fact and or ruling, then the property owner may appeal the administrative order on the case to the circuit court. An appeal must be filed within 30 days of the date of the execution of the administrative order to be appealed. In accordance with Florida statutes, if a person decides to appeal any decision made by the special magistrate with respect to any matter considered at these proceedings, then the person will need a verbatim record of the proceeding. This record includes the testimony and evidence upon which the appeal is to be based. The cost of obtaining the verbatim record shall be the sole responsibility of the appellant, and it is recommended that persons who plan to appeal their case should provide their own court reporter at these proceedings. Pursuant to city codes, if the City of North Miami prevails in prosecuting a case before the special magistrate, the city shall be entitled to recover all costs incurred in prosecuting the case. The current cost assessment amount is $100 per case. Once the city records an order that imposes a fine and authorizes a lien against the property, then the city will charge additional administrative fees to record and release the lien. If you are present and will be given testimony on a case, please stand and raise your right hand so the officer could administer the oath.
You're going to be giving testimony in this case. Please stand up and raise your right hand to be sworn in. You're going to be speaking in the case. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you are about to give in these proceedings will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? You so say, I do.
Please remain standing for the pledge.
Put your hand on your chest, face the flag, and repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America solemnly swear or affirm that the translations which you are about to give in these proceedings will be accurate and correct to the best of your knowledge, skill, and ability.
Where did Edme go? Are you gonna do it? Okay. All right. Please announce for the record if there are any additions, corrections, and/or deletions to the hearing agenda.
Item number 2, permit number CEBPR 2017-00048. Customer's name is Al Gamir Holstein. Permit address 1125 Northeast 134th Street, postponed. Item number 3, permit number CEZPU 2017-00020. Customer name Al Gamir Hossein. Permit address 1125 Northeast 134th Street, postponed.
Item number 5 and item number 6, CEIVY 2017-00175, CEODS 2017-00169. Anna Cabero, complied. Item number 7, CEODS 2017-00151, and Sinio Telsey, complied. Item number 9, CEPFY 2017-00541, Betty Charpentier, complied. Item number 10 and 11, CEEXP 2017-00119, CEGMS 2017-00050, Brandon Stephenson, complied. Item number 12, CEPFY 2017-00584, Christine Price, complied. Item number 16, CEIVY 2017-00177, David Deuce, complied. Item number 18 and item number 19, CEGMP 2017-00075, CEODS 2017-00162, Dora Bonilla, complied. Item number 22, CEFAW 2017-00060, Ezard Wagan, complied. Item number 24, CEFAW 2017-0046, Fonts Joseph, postponed. Item number 25, CERCV 2016-00097, Fritz Masak, complied. Item number 26, CEFAW 2017-0085, Fritz Nicholas, complied. Item number 27, CEFAW 2017-0072, Gabrielle Duguay, postponed. Item number 28, CEBPR 2017-00110, Jadone Louis-Zard, postponed. Item number 30, CEBPR 2017-00106, Ghulam Yassin, postponed. Item number 31, CEZPU 2017-00036, Ghulam Yassin, complied. Item number 32, CEPFY 2017-00594, Giuseppe Damiano, complied. Item number 33 and item number 34, CESTA 2017-002, CESTR 2017-004, Galinsky, postponed. Item number 36, CELDR 2017-0028, Haman, complied. Item number 37, CEIVY 2017-00160, Harrison Hilton, complied. Item number 39, CEPFY 2017-00587, Hiru Tella, complied. Item number 40, CEPFY 2017-00576, Hislaine Jean Pierre, complied. Item number 41, CEPFY 2017-00575, Honora Personnel, complied. Item number 42, CERCV 105. Indra Beckham, complied. Item number 43, CEEXP 2017-00129. Inorel Nicholas, postponed. Item number 45, CEWWC 2017-0020. Janvier Verselli, complied. Item number 46, CEODS 2017-00135. Jean-Pierre Magny, complied. Item number 47, CEGMP 2017-0056. Joanne Parker, complied. Item number 48, CEPFY 2017-00571. John Lasater, complied. Item number 51, CELDR 2017-0029. Jose Babini, postponed. Item number 52, CEPFY 2017-00586. Jose Boza, complied. Item number 53 and item number 54, CEEXP 2017-00131. CEGMP 2017-0046. Jose E. Baca, complied. Item number 56, CEWWC 2017-0037. Joseph Kempe, complied. Item number 60, CEBPR 2017-0081. Leonis Ramis, postponed. Item number 62, CEGMP 2017-0035. Louis Singh Saho, complied. Item number 63, CEODS 2017-00147. Marco Saavedra, complied. Item number 64, CEODS 2017-00153. Margaret Alamore, complied. Item number 65, CERCV 2017-00103. Marie Martin, complied. Item number 66, CEPFY 2017-00585. Marie Lapierre, complied. Item number 68, CEODS 2017-00157. Marie Petitfier, complied. Item number 69 and item number 70, CEEXP 2017-00142. CEJNK 2017-0079. Marie Colas, complied. Item number 72, CEFAW 2017-0094. Marshall Spencer, complied. Item number 73, CEGMP 2017-0065. Maud Simbone, postponed. Item number 75, CEFAW 2017-0081. Nerylin Destav, complied. Item number 76, CEIVY 2017-0079. Offer J. Marshall, postponed. Item number 79, CEEXP 2017-00125. Pretty Bennett McNeil, complied. Item number 81, CEIVY 2017-0068. Ricardo Meja, complied. Item number 85, CE 85 and 86. CEIVY 2017-00173. CEZPU 2017-0042. Robertson Prudent, complied. Item number 87, CEWWC 2017-0035. Structures LLC, complied. And item number 89, CEODS 2017-0096. Vidal Herrera, complied. And our first case will be item number 77, Officer Shanna Sanders, Customer Patrick Salt, case number CEPFY 2017-00551.
Good evening, counsel.
Good evening, Your Honor. I'm Frank Wolin. I'm an attorney. My office is at 12865 West DC Highway. And here this evening, Your Honor, representing Patrick Salt, who is present before you, who lives at the property address, which is 1530 Northeast 129th Street. Your Honor, I would respectfully request a continuance of 30 days. This is the first time up for this particular case. Mr. Salt has a lot of materials and photographs, and I've spoken to the officer. I believe this matter can be resolved.
Hold on for Mr. Wallen. Hold on. Oh, wasn't turned on?
Thank you. I didn't think so. I was speaking up, which, since I'm kind of deaf, they tell me I do anyway. I think this matter can be resolved and he can be placed in compliance, Your Honor. The Officer Sanders has no objection to this brief continuance.
Okay, no objection.
Shannon Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. As Mr. Walden stated, yes, we briefly spoke in the rear of the at the rear of the of council chambers. I've also spoke with Mr. Salt at the property a time or two. I'm in agreement. We can table it if he shows that the vehicle is not being parked on the front lawn for 30 days, as me and Mr. Wolin agreed.
All right, so let's table it 30 days.
Thank
And
you,
if
Ms.
it's resolved,
Sanders, and thank you very much, Your Honor,
thank you, Mr. Wallen.
and good to see you.
Likewise. Have a good one.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you. Good luck, sir.
Item number 82, Officer Shannon Sanders, customer Richard Basola, case number CEMHS 2017-0001.
Yes, sir. The podium. Please tell us your name and relationship to the property.
My name is Richard A. Basola.
Okay. What item again?
Pardon me?
82.
I can't hear and I can't see well.
Okay, sir. We'll try to speak as loud as we can.
I have
82.
visual and hearing impairment at the moment.
Okay.
I had an attorney to represent me because I can't read the stuff, the legal stuff. He's not here tonight. He couldn't come here tonight, so they asked me to have a continuance. I'm doing what I have to do with all the cash flow I have. I've done a good job so far.
I remember this case.
Shannon Sanders, City of North Miami Code Compliance Officer. As you stated, you already remember, but I'll refresh just in case. Want to get it on record. 1570 Northeast 141st Street. This is the case for the minimum housing standards. The house is in deplorable conditions. Needs a lot of repairs. Still, as of today, me and Officer Noel did an inspection. The roof is still, the ceiling is still caving in, still needs repairs on the outside. I have pictures if you would like to see.
No.
But he still needs some work done. He advised us today he is at the property, sometimes he's there by himself.
I can't hear a word you're saying. Do you have any earmuffs?
I'm saying the same thing I said to you when we were
I
at the
just
property
can't hear
today.
you.
Sir, you said you have. Can you hear me?
No, what?
I'm right here. Up here. Up here.
What do you want me to say?
Oh.
I cannot hear who's talking.
Mr. Basola,
Yes.
up here.
Are you represented by counsel? Have you hired an attorney?
Yes, I hired a counselor, but he's not here tonight. They said to get a continuance. I don't know what that is. I'm not a lawyer.
Okay.
I will take care of my property with the cash flow that I have. I'm not going to cheat the city out of a nickel. But I've been in the hospital, in and out, 4 hospitals and 2, rehab places with my legs and stuff. I need more time. My bank accounts were ripped off at least 3 times this year.
Okay.
Bank fraud.
Have you done anything, sir? I'm right here.
Who's talking?
Right here. You keep turning around.
No, I hear the voice out back there.
We're gonna have an issue here.
What do you, I'm sorry, what do you want?
We're gonna have a problem. Probably.
What is the city attorney asking? I'm sorry. Are you asking something?
I can't hear
I was
what-
questioning his competency, whether he was competent to go forward.
I cannot hear you.
Because if he cannot hear us, then he cannot participate in the process, and that's an issue.
May I walk up there to hear you?
I'm sorry.
I
You might want to get on the mic because I can't hear you.
I cannot hear.
Carolyn Martin on behalf of the city, asking code compliance officer, is there any objection to a reset?
It depends upon the reset and depends upon who's gonna come and help represent him. This case, this was brought to me from Children and Family. He had a situation at the house, as Officer Noel, we've been there a couple of times. They called the emergency out when they came and saw the condition of the house. They called the police, they called DCF, they called me out. They stated that he cannot be in the house until the proper repairs are made and that the house is more livable. I'm hesitant to give more time only because of the condition of the house. You've seen the pictures last month. Noel saw the pictures today. I don't want to keep continuing this because of the condition of the house and he's back living there.
Attorney,
The gentleman that I spoke to, he's saying he has an attorney.
you don't make
but
sense to me.
The gentleman that I spoke to via telephone call stated he's not his attorney. He said he's a friend of the family. He's just answering some questions for him, but he definitely stated he's not his attorney. He's just a friend of the family that's just trying to help him out a little bit.
All right, so the last time this matter was heard, I did enter a guilty, hold on.
All I want.
Okay, it has been adjudicated.
All I
or-
wanted a continuance to get my attorney to resolve it, because I can't hear you and I can't see you at the moment. I'm under medical care, I'm taking medication, I'm with, major
All right,
medical-
I don't feel comfortable going forward on this case with this gentleman telling us that he's not able to hear, which means he's unable to participate. And I do understand that his house is in total disrepair, and I remember those photographs, and that's the reason why I don't want to
Those
see them again.
photographs Those photographs go back to May. Those are when somebody broke into my house, not me, and they trashed my house. Not me, not you, somebody.
I understand, sir. The only issue that I have is that your house is a health, not just a health
no,
hazard. It's okay.
They've
go ahead.
they've cleaned it up since then.
Okay, you have done some repair since then, since we were last here,
Yeah, we
since
did.
last month.
Yes,
Okay, and what type of repairs have you done?
I did what they told me to do. I replaced 4 broken windows, replaced the ceiling in
You replaced the ceiling?
in one bathroom, a small bathroom.
We were out there
Just
today.
drywall. I did some roof repairs. I've done everything they told me to do.
You did roof repairs?
And Officer Noel can
I
testify.
repaired a couple
No.
of roof leaks. That's all.
So you kind of patched it up a little bit.
What does?
You have selective hearing. I'm noticing, right?
It says since May of this year, I've been in the hospital, 4 hospitals and 2 rehab places with my legs. And I replaced the house, the repairs that they told me to repair every time so far. They're finishing the roof right now. You can't get a roofer because of the hurricane. You can't get anybody because of the hurricane at the
So
moment.
are you still living there?
I live here and there.
That's why I'm hesitant.
You were
with-
not supposed to be living there.
Who said that?
There's a
I
black
don't
and
know. I don't know what you're talking about. No, I'm just trying to fix the house, is what I'm told.
There's an ongoing case. The building official went out there and deemed the house unlivable. They placard
It's not unlivable.
They placard the property with an orange sticker. You can tell someone literally scratched
Not
it off.
unlivable.
they scratched it off. He's back living in there. That's the only reason why I'm hesitant. If it was something whereas he was living in the
If you want to
living
go to the Board of
facility,
Rules and Appeals, I'll go to the Board of Rules and Appeals. It's not unlivable.
What is the city seeking today? What is it that you want?
you know, and
All I want to do is finish the house repairs that I have to do with the cash flow that I have and get an extension for the legal stuff. I don't know about the legal stuff. That's all.
Okay. Okay, I know what he wants. What are
Okay.
you seeking? Because we have
I'm
already
here-
entered an adjudication on
I'm
this
here
case.
I'm here to enforce the city ordinance. I'll let the city attorney determine what the city's stance is. Right now, I'm here to enforce the ordinance, which states clearly this is a non-livable house. He's living there under minimum housing standards.
I can't hear what she said.
At this point, Carolyn Martin on behalf of the city.
I can't hear anybody.
At this point, there's already been an adjudication entered.
What do you want me to do? I don't understand you.
The abatement date has already passed.
I can't hear you.
The fine is set to go forward for $250 a day.
I can't hear you.
I'm not sure there's much. There's
Talk
any
to
other
me.
leeway.
All right, again, I'm not comfortable moving forward. Typically, I would, usually I would ratify the daily fine, but he's telling us that he's not able to hear the process. He can't hear what's going on. I detect some selective hearing on his part, but just to be on the side of caution, let's reset this for 30 days. He says that he's retained counsel, so hopefully he will show up with his attorney on, what is the next hearing date? On December 6th. And hopefully we can get this matter resolved. In the meantime, the city, your office can try to work with him. And if he is in fact represented by counsel, reach out to him and reach out to his attorney and see what can be done. Because at this juncture, even if I were to ratify the daily fine amount, that's still not going to resolve the case. If the property is such in,
Just
the
give me
state that I saw,
just give me
based
a
on the
list of what to
photographs
do, that's
that I
all.
saw, I don't know why you guys didn't ask that it is, that I entered an order as either a nuisance or, I don't know.
There's cases following for the nuisance, it's different cases going on there that's gonna be coming up, next month.
Okay, because at this juncture, I mean, just ratifying the daily fine amount is not really gonna do much
Yeah.
with the condition of his home. And if it's not livable, then that's something that you guys need to address.
I'll leave that, like I said, I'll leave that on the hand of the city attorney, decide what they're gonna do. I'm just here to enforce the city ordinance.
May I respond to two things?
Sure.
One, sitting as a representative for the city attorney's office, my job is strictly to advise the magistrate on the interpretations of the code. That's it for today. So there's no other obligation for the representative from the city attorney's office. Second, Mr. Basola, do you know the name of your attorney? Do you have any name, anyone we can contact?
Sir, what is the name of your attorney?
Well, I have a bunch of them. Robert Ader, Thomas Post, what's his name? Two other ones.
Okay, let me stop you. What is the name of the attorney that was supposed to be here tonight representing you on this matter?
His father used to be the mayor here. His name is, I can't think of how to spell it.
Did you sign a retainer with this
I
attorney?
just talked to Tom Post. He wanted to know if the attorney got here. I said nobody yet. It's a mix-up. I know.
Okay. You need to call the code enforcement officer and give her your attorney's phone number, name and phone number, so that she can either pass it on to the city attorney or she can call the attorney. But there needs to be some type of communication.
I agree.
With your lawyer between today
I agree.
and December 6th. Okay? Because if you come back here by yourself on December 6th and you're telling me that you cannot hear, you know, or you need to bring a representative, someone,
I will take care of it long before that.
okay? Because this matter, oh, Jesus Christ. All
I'm
right,
trying
let's
to-
just,
I'm trying to fix it, that's all.
okay. All right. Reset, 30 days. Sir, I
Yes.
have reset your case, and you have to come back here on December 6th,
Okay.
okay?
What do I do in the meantime?
You said you represented by counsel. You said you have an attorney.
That's one thing. What do you want me to do? I'll need a list.
You want me to give you a list of what needs to be done?
Nobody's told me yet.
Okay. Speak to the code enforcement officer, because I believe she gave you that list.
She gave me.
But go ahead and speak.
She gave me a list in handwriting, which I've done most of it, 99% of it.
You think so? Because she says that nothing has been done, and I don't know how you're able to fix a
I
roof.
did. She gave me a list to do. I did it. I've replaced 4 broken windows. I replaced the bathroom ceiling, and there's a third thing, and the roof. The roofers are not available, but the roof is being done.
Okay.
He has a list. Me and Officer Noel, when we visit the property, I listed the stuff and Officer Noel wrote it down. We gave it to him. He also came to the city, building and zoning, myself, him, and Vicky Santos, one of the permit technicians or administrators over there, gave him a second list. I visited the property a third time, gave him another list. So he has 3 lists.
Most of the work has been done.
Okay.
That you gave me in writing,
Okay.
handwritten.
All right, sir.
I have that.
Okay. So you have the list. We'll see you back here in December, okay?
Okay, what do you want me to, give me a list, that's all. Can I
Okay.
get a list from the city?
Go to the back with the officer and
We'll
she'll-
talk tomorrow because we have other cases and we can talk tomorrow. I'll try to
All
visit
I
the
need-
property
All I
tomorrow.
need is a list of what I need to do, so I can drum up some money.
Richard,
Yes,
she's gonna come by the property and bring you a list.
I can't hear you.
She's coming by the property to give you a list.
Okay,
All right, good night.
we're done?
Yes,
Oh, too easy.
good night.
Thank you, sir. Have a good evening. Take your time.
Item number 4, Officer Ernest Baptiste, customer Alejandro Tapenes, case number CEHEG 2017-00001.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Good evening, Alejandro Tapanes, 13205 North Miami Avenue. I am the owner.
Okay.
It's Baptiste City, North Miami, Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was open for the edges in front of the property that is too high. It's blocking the view when driving westbound on 132nd Street. And today I posted the property on the 23rd of October. And today I passed by, I took pictures. Still too high.
Okay. Show it to.
This is easy to explain.
Okay.
The gentleman that takes care of our garden has occurred a heart attack a couple months ago, or actually more than that. And so the hedges haven't been trimmed. And yeah, they are high. I got one notice from him back in August. I was traveling that day, so I trimmed them this quick, speedy thing, but since then they've grown. This was back in August, so since then they've grown. They will be reduced down. This most likely I can do it. We can have this done tomorrow. We have workers on there since the hurricane. and it's been a never-ending thing since then. So we're working on it, and fortunately, the hedges that were 14 foot high have now down like 9 feet high.
Okay. All right, so you believe you'll, okay, well, let's table it 30 days.
Thank you.
Okay, the officer will come by and see whether or not you are in compliance.
What is the height of those hedges maximum?
How high, officer?
Should be 3 feet.
Okay, and what are they now? By your estimation,
It's
roughly.
about 12,
Well,
11.
No. they on the driveway, on the swale, they scale from about, they should scale from like 4 feet to about 6 feet, 7 feet. It's to keep the protection of the cars, so nobody sees the cars as you're driving. It's just, I don't really like that. And also, as you get closer to the property, they scale up, so there's more privacy. We
Okay.
live right on Miami Avenue, right on a corner, and it's extremely busy to live on that road.
Yeah, okay. All right, get it done, and you have 30 days to do it, but don't wait.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll get it done. Thank
All
you
right,
very
sir.
much. Good
Thank
night.
you. Have a good evening.
Item number 21, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Eli Fisher. Case number CEZCU 20170009.
Good evening. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
Eli Fisher, I'm the owner of the property at 14230 West Dixie Highway.
Okay. Sir?
Good evening, Your Honor. I'm Brian Thompson. Mr. Fisher has contracted me to bring the property up to compliance
Okay,
and get them right with the city.
okay.
Yes. Good evening, Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance. This case is with reference to a dry cleaning business that's located in Mr. Fisher's property. I received a complaint that they were operating without a certificate of use. Upon arriving at the property, they indeed, and our system didn't reflect anything, and they didn't have anything. I understand that there's some issues with our zoning department and them issuing the actual certificate of use based on some issues with the structure that the building owner needs to rectify before the business can be issued the certificate required by the city.
Are they the owner of the business or the owner of the,
Mr. Fisher is the owner of the building.
okay. All right, so you're aware of
Yes.
what, okay. What are you seeking?
Well, from what I understand, they need some more time
Yes.
from the city. They're asking more time to make the repairs as requested by the zoning department in order for the business that's there to operate. They're asking for 90 days to make whatever repairs. I'm not sure what the repairs are exactly that need to be done or what was requested, but
There will be structural and electrical. There's one permit left open for an ADA bathroom. The ADA bathroom is up to code. It just needs a little bit more work done, and that permit can be closed out. Some electrical work needs to be brought up to code, and some structural work needs to be brought up to code. I'm waiting on drawings from the structural engineer and working with the building department to find out what exactly I have to do to bring everything into compliance.
I cited this back in July, actually. Okay, so I cited them July. I'm gonna ask, it's now November. I'm gonna say if we can at least give you guys, I'm gonna actually go with 30 days for you guys to get down to the building department and do what you need to do. The system currently doesn't reflect anything that's been done. I know I spoke with you previously, and the hurricane gave you an extra 3 months, and still nothing's been done. The business is operating essentially illegally, according to the city. So I'm gonna ask the magistrate for 30 days to get them down here to get what they need to get done, and then we can go from there.
Or I can enter an adjudication and give him 60 days.
I'll leave that up to you guys to decide what you wanna do.
I would appreciate that.
Hmm?
Well, If I get the 30 days, I can come back in 30 days and show progress in this case.
All right, so let's reset 30 days. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, sir.
Item number 29, Officer Ernst Baptiste, customer Gerardo Cinero, case number CEBPR 2017-0067.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name for the record.
I need somebody English, somebody Spanish.
Okay, all right.
Mi nombre es Gerardo Cisnero.
Okay. All right, got it.
Ernst Baptiste, City of Miami Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was presented before. This is a building without permit case. The driveway was built without permit, and the gentleman was instructed to go to the building department to pull the an after the fact permit.
I remember.
And
Where are we?
I checked today, no permit was pulled, and the case was heard, and he was found
August.
guilty.
In August.
Yes.
Por motivo de mi trabajo no he podido buscar el permiso, pero yo quisiera ver si pudiera pagar la penalidad.
Because of my work, I was not able to obtain a permit, but I would like to know if I can pay the penalty.
It's not that easy, sir. The penalty is going to accumulate daily until the work is done.
No es tan fácil, porque la penalidad va a ir acumulándose hasta que el trabajo se haga.
Do you understand what that means?
¿Entiende eso?
Sí, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
It's $200 a day.
$200 a day. Do you know what that means?
$200 por día. ¿Sabe lo que es eso?
Si me pudiera dar un tiempo más para buscar el permiso, a ver si...
Can I have a little extra time so I can get the permit?
Okay, sir. You know, what's going to be different? Because you just told us that because of your work, you were not able to do it.
¿Qué va a ser diferente? Usted no
If
tiene
I give you more time, you still have to work.
no.
What are you going to do differently this time?
Si le doy más tiempo, todavía va a tener que trabajar como lo hace diferente esta vez.
Tengo que pedir permiso en el trabajo para hacer para buscar
I'm going to get the time off from work in order to obtain the permit.
Okay. I at least need to see that you have submitted an application. We don't even, do we have an application?
Nothing.
A permit number?
Nothing.
You haven't applied for a permit.
No ha solicitado permiso.
That's a
No.
problem.
Ahí está el problema.
So please, I'm gonna give you 30 days. If you come back here in December and we're still not, you haven't done anything, then I'm going to charge you $200 per day until this work is done. And I want you to understand what that means. $200 adds up very quickly.
Cada día se suma muy rápido.
From August or
Who asked the question? For you? Yeah, it would be retroactive to to September.
Y eso será retroactivo hasta septiembre.
Okay?
¿Está bien?
So when you come back here in December, I want to see that you've at least, applied
Haya
for a permit.
solicitado el permiso.
Okay, está bien.
Okay?
Okay.
All
fine.
right, sir. Thank you. Have a good evening.
Item number 35, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Hamid, case number CEDSP 2017-00004.
Good evening, ma'am. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Hi, my name is Rubina Hamid. I'm the owner.
Okay.
Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance Division. This case is reference depreciation of surrounding properties. This home had began renovations a couple of years ago. Permits were pulled and the work abruptly stopped. It's been well over a year since any inspections have been completed. The resident was cited back in May of 2017. I spoke with Ms. Hamid a couple of months back, and I advised her, I met her at the property, and I advised her.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know.
I met Ms. Hamid at the property one day, and I advised her that they needed to update the permits, and she told me that they had some obstacles and they weren't able to do so. However, as of yesterday, nothing in the system has been updated. I have observed a couple people at the property working without permits. The residents are complaining. The property is pretty much just kind of left in the middle of construction in a project with nothing being done. So, and I have photos if you would like to see it.
Sure. Okay, where are we in the process, Ms. Hamid?
Well, I'm trying to do the best I can, but I'm having little difficulty. I have two kids that's not well. They're disabled, and I have to take them every other day to the clinic, or I have to get therapy for them every day. So I'm not really having time. I'm after my brother-in-law, so he could help me out. But he's having he have his own business, and he's going back and forth with his business also. So I'm trying to have him go with the house, but I'm not getting any help out of it. As you can see, I'm doing everything I could do with the kids and try to maintain the house. But I'm not living in the house because the roof was breaking down, and my husband was here that time, and we was trying to fix it. He was trying to fix it, and all the inside got messed up. Everything was damaged, and he had to leave because he was arrested, and he's been in there since February of 2015.
Okay. Didn't you guys have homeowners insurance? You don't have insurance on the
We
property?
have insurance. I'm paying mortgage. I used to pay 800 something. Now I'm paying 1,500.
Right. What I'm saying, did you? Is there a claim against your insurance company?
Yes.
Okay.
The roof was with that, but the rest we have to do out of our pocket.
Interesting.
Well, they were doing. They had permits for they were doing construction. They were adding and changing windows and things of that nature.
I see new windows, and it seems like I see a new roof based on the photographs that you're providing me.
My husband went inside.
So that was since 2015. Is there an add-on? Is there an add-on to the?
I didn't see the. I wasn't able to pull the microfilm to see what the property looked like before they started working on it, but the property pretty much has been at a standstill since her husband went to prison. So it's kind of just that way. I don't know what their end goal was, but.
All right. So.
I mean, she could go.
And I cannot sell the house. That's the only thing that I have a little bit. I could make it and have it like rented out so I could have some money coming in. If I sell it, I'm not gonna have nothing. Whatever I'm gonna like get the money, I could use it, but then where I'm gonna stay? 'Cause
I
I'm-
understand, but this project, basically it's just sitting there.
But
The property is there and, you're not doing the repairs. So if you're not doing the repairs, I'm assuming that you're losing money because you can't rent it out, you're not living there, and, I'm assuming you're still paying the mortgage every month. And if you're telling me that you're not gonna be able to do anything in the, foreseeable future, I mean, something has to give. I can't even say that I'm gonna give you 30 days or that I'm gonna give you 60 days, not based on what you're telling me.
Like I said, I'm trying to get my brother-in-law to help me more because I'm trying to push him. Because I try to talk to my husband. I told him, talk to your brother if he could try to do something. And he did talk to his brothers. And they're trying to do something.
Because at this point, you haven't even renewed the permits.
Well, I was trying to talk to the person that was doing the house before.
Right.
And there was out of town, and one of the one that draw the architect, he's been in a coma for I don't know how long he's been in a coma, and I need to get all these things updated, and I'm not able to do that because of that architect.
And what is the officer seeking from me today? I don't know. Or is there any program in the city that can assist this homeowner?
I wish that and this is a time that I wish that the building department or some of the other departments were represented during the magistrate, because, you know, we're out here enforcing and it's a little challenging for us to have all the answers. Unfortunately, I don't know if there's a program available. It doesn't sound like she doesn't have the money. It sounds like she doesn't have the hands to do the work. I guess at this point, the city's seeking for her to go and at least start by renewing her permits. I mean, it doesn't, you know, if you go and renew the permits at the minimum, then maybe, you know, we can go from there, but I don't know. I mean, I could see if there's a program available to assist. I don't know what type of program it would be, though.
I think Officer
Any
Noel wants to
programs
have-
available, she would have to go to CPND to research what they able to do for her. CPND is the location where any type of grants or whatnot, that's where she'll be able to find
Ma'am,
out.
are you listening?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
CPND, okay?
Do you know what CP&D is?
No.
I didn't think so.
Is the community planning and development where they give grants for beautification and other avenues, but they would be the people to speak to see what she qualifies for.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you 30 days. I want you to do your research. I want you to go to CP&D, as the officer have indicated, and see whether or not you qualify for any assistance of sort from the city. Let's start there. And then you come back in December and tell me what you've found and, you know, what's going on with your case. okay? So I'm leaving it in your hands, because if you come back here in December and, you know, you don't have any answers to my questions, then I'm gonna have to adjudicate this case. And, you know, a daily fine amount against you at this point, I know that's gonna be a hardship because you're already unable to complete the construction on your property. So go find out what the city has and whether or not you are eligible for any of the assistance, so you can complete this project. Okay? I got it, Officer Noel. Okay? All right, ma'am.
Can I get it, like, write it down?
Sure, go ahead. You can go in the back, they'll give it to you. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Item number 44, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer James Delange, case number CEEXP 2017-00143.
What item?
44.
Thank you. Good evening, sir. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
James DeLange, 12210 Northeast 10th Avenue. I'm the owner.
Thank you, sir. Who's my officer?
Crystal Cordo.
Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance. This case is referenced exterior paint on the residence. The resident was cited back on August 22nd for paint. The walls, the shutters, fascia boards, etc. As of yesterday, the property remains in the same conditions on the exterior.
Do I speak?
Do we have photographs so that we can show?
No, it definitely needs to be painted, but I bought this property as a distressed property. It took me over 2 years to get a permit, so I'm remodeling the inside of the building. I was kind of hoping I can wait to paint the building on the outside when it was done. Probably be finished in about 6 months. It definitely needs to be painted, though. There's no doubt about it. And I do plan on painting it, but I was kind of hoping to do it when they finish the inside.
I'm okay with that. I noticed that he does have a roll-away there. I think I cited you for that too, for
Well,
construction without a permit.
The permit's actually expired. I think she's gonna renew it tomorrow.
Okay.
So she did pull a permit. I do have a contractor. It's just been kind of painfully slow.
Okay. All right, so we'll table it for,
I would say, well, I didn't even see an application in the system for the permit.
Well, there is a permit, right? They've already got one issued.
Well, that's an old permit. That permit's years old.
No, it's not that old.
The permit, well, either way, okay, so.
I should have brought it with me, but it expired in September, so I think September 16th. It needs to be renewed.
okay. So there's ongoing construction that
Yeah.
he's trying to basically redo
Yes.
the entire place.
As long
So
as
it doesn't make any sense
I mean,
that he would paint
I
it
changed
now.
the roof already. I changed the windows. I put central air conditioning. I changed all the electric. A lot's been done, but it's been very, very slow.
Okay. Yes.
Well, as long as I can see a permit, I'm fine with, however much time he needs.
I just need to put it in the window because it's inside on the table.
Okay, how about this? Once you get the permit renewed,
Call her.
yes,
Okay.
let her know.
All
That way,
You got it.
we know where we are on this case.
Fair enough. Thank
So, for now, I'm doing 30 days.
you. Okay,
Okay?
sounds good.
Thank you, sir. Have a good evening.
You too.
Item number 59, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Loretta Laurent Genti, case number CESDM 2017-0005.
Good evening, ma'am. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
My name is Lorita Gentil, Lorita Laurent Gentil.
I don't think they can hear you, so pull it down a little bit and speak a little louder.
Lorita Gentil, and the property address is 1061 Northeast 141st Street. I'm the owner.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance. This case is in reference to it's in reference to sodding, and the resident is parking on the front lawn. However, there are some scattered pavers there. The resident states that that's a driveway for them. They have an asphalt driveway on one side of the property, but they have an area on the front lawn on the other side of the property that they park. I spoke with the resident. I asked her to, if they would like to fix the pavers, put new ones there, and, kind of maintain it. I'd be okay with that. As of yesterday, that area remains the exact same way. They continue to park there. I have photos if you would like to see as well.
Yes, please. Okay. All right, so in other words, if they put pavers on the sides.
If they maintain that area and make it look like it, and I can see that there were pavers there. I'm okay with her replacing the pavers and making it, appear the way she's saying it was since she's had the property. But the way it is.
Okay. Ma'am?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How long do you need?
But I need a little time, and then to fix it.
Okay.
The resident was originally cited in July.
Yes, I see that. All right, ma'am, I'll give you 30 days. Okay? If it's fixed, the officer will come by and make sure that it's in compliance, then she'll take it off calendar. Otherwise, I will see you back here on December 6th, okay?
Okay.
Try to take care of this.
I
all right?
will.
All
Thank
right,
you.
ma'am. Have a good one.
Item number 61, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Leonor Ramirez Devel, case number CEBPR 2017-00108.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
Hello, Al Rodriguez, architect and agent for Leonardo, 15055 Southwest 68th Terrace, Miami, Florida, 33193.
Mhm. You said you are the architect?
Yes.
Okay,
We
sir.
have applied for permits
Mhm.
on this property. Permit number BBR 002017-00363. And we are now in the county review on the permit application number M 2018-000940. We're in the process of complying.
Okay. Officer?
Yeah, it was a construction issue. The resident started conducting the construction without any permits, so he was cited. I had postponed this case last month, but I brought it to the hearing today because I saw that plans were signed out back on October the 9th, and nothing's been done, and I haven't heard from anyone since.
Yes,
So-
the plans were signed out because they have to be taken to the county for review for the municipal permits. That's the M 2018-000940 that we're waiting for Durham to approve. Once we get that approval, then we bring it back.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So they need 30 days or 60 days?
I would say knowing your city, which is not easy with permits, and then we have to have construction inspections, we need a good 60 days.
Okay, 60 days is fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great evening.
You too.
Item number 74, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Minerve Michelle, case number CEFAW 20170086.
Good evening, ma'am. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
Minerve Michelle, address 14285 Northeast 10th Avenue. I'm the owner.
Thank you, ma'am.
Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami Code Compliance. This case has referenced a damaged chain link fence at the property. Resident was cited for the violation back in August. As of yesterday's date, the fence appears to be in the same condition it was when it was originally cited. I have photos if you would like to see.
Yes, show it to the owner, please. All right, ma'am, do you understand the violation?
Yes.
Okay. How long do you need to get this matter fixed? Are you going to
This is what
replace-
happened. A car ran into my house. The car messed it up. So I had a problem with Progressive. They couldn't give me the money because of another car was total loss. They were telling me there's no money. So I had to go through my homeowner insurance, which they sent me the money. And my ex-husband referred me to somebody to do it for me. I went down there and asked for the information. They told me I'm gonna need 2 permits. I'm gonna need one for the fence, and I'm gonna need one for the front of the house. And they even told me what to put because they do not allow chain links anymore. They're telling me I need to put repaired. I gave the guy the money and the form, and then I never heard from him. When I called my ex-husband, from what I found out, he's in Africa. I didn't even know I couldn't get in contact with him. So the guy stole my money and he had the form. So I went back down there and got the 2 forms. Since I'm a single mom and I work every day, I have to do it out of pocket. And I don't have a regular job. I do substitute teacher. I did call the officer and talk to her and explain my situation to her. And she transferred me to the department where they told me in 2 weeks, they're gonna send me a paper where I can pay, because they charged me a $250 fine, and she said I can pay it in 2 installments. And I asked her, how long do I have, because I'm gonna need time, since I'm the only one, with 2 kids, and I have to pay everything, and I don't have a regular job. Because my thing is, I'm on call. When they call me, I cannot say no. If I don't go to work, I don't get paid. So she told me they're gonna send me a paper, and I'm gonna come here. She gonna let me know how long I'm gonna need to fix it. But right now I have to fix it out of pocket, and I'm in the process. I do have the form, and I'm trying to find somebody because I don't want to give my money to somebody else so they can steal it, because now I'm paying out of pocket for it. I'm just gonna need a little bit more time. And I do have the form for the 2 permits. I didn't want to just turn them in and then can't find anybody. Now I'm asking around if I can find somebody to do it for me, but I'm kind of scared to trust anybody at this point.
All right. I'll give you 60 days.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. Have a good evening.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Item number 78, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Perez, case number CEEXP 2016-00492.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name in relationship to the property.
Luis Perez, owner.
Thank you.
City of North Miami, Officer Cordo. We're meeting with Dr. Perez with reference to the building, the construction at his property and the permits. We're just asking for more time. At this point, there was some issues with the city and some with his plans and et cetera, so he needs to go and get some things relooked at and bring back to the city, so.
Did you guys agree on a time period?
How much time do you need, Doctor?
I would say 3 months, but 2 months is fine, I guess.
Let's go with 2 months.
60 days.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
You too. Next, I need to be able to take a short recess, so let's call the folks.
Item
that are
number
here.
90, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Walter A. Rodriguez, case number CEFAW 2017-00034.
You said 90?
Yes.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Have a
Please
good
state
evening.
your full name and
My
relationship
name
to
is
the
Walter
property.
Rodriguez. I am the owner for 941 Northeast 130th Street.
All right, thank you, sir.
Officer Crystal Cordo, City of North Miami, code compliance. This case is in reference to a fence that's damaged at this property. This gentleman is the owner and this gentleman is the buyer. They're in the middle of a transaction that's about to close this week. We've heard the case. I've been stalling this case out for them because they've been having some issues with the closing, but from what I understand, they're getting ready to close. So I'm just asking for 30 more days.
Okay, 30 days, sir.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. All right.
Item number 17.
17?
Mhm.
Okay.
Officer Rahima Golden, customer Dixie Terrace Condo, case number MSVIO 2017-00403.
I'm loving everyone's haircut today. Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Right. My name is Juan Bolivar. I represent to the President Dixie Terrace Condo.
Okay.
City of North Miami Minimum Housing Officer Rahima Golding. This property, this violation is in regards to inoperable emergency lights, which they have purchased. It's just a matter of getting the contractor to do the installation, which I think they did finally find someone, and all they need is an additional 30 days, and it'll be done within that time frame.
Okay. 30 days? Yeah. All right, guys. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
And that's all I have on my agenda. Sir, what's your name? Yes, what's your name?
Come forward, sir.
Item
Come
number
forward.
57, Officer Crystal Cordo, customer Juan Rafael Algueria.
What number you said?
57.
57.
Case number CESDM 2017-00112.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Yeah, my name is Juan Alegria. My address is 920 Northeast 137th Street. I'm the
Okay.
owner.
All right.
City of North Miami, code compliance, Officer Cordo. This is reference siding on the front lawn. The resident had been notified to stop parking the vehicles on the front lawn. The grass needs to be replaced. As of yesterday, I went. They had a vehicle still parked in the same place I've been citing them repeatedly about, and the area still hasn't been resided. And I can show the resident the photos.
Show me the paper. Yeah, I know. Okay, we have to replace the grass right here, right? And what else? I'm not here.
Speak, sir. Speak into the mic.